Another video. Today we have new tool deals, guys. Yeah, looks like new tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's look at the new tools deals here. Big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy for posting this first. He already posted, I believe yesterday he posted this, and I believe the Tool Boss did too. So big shout out to them for gathering this information. Alright, so the first picture that we have here, this is the complete picture that they have. So you guys see, this is going to be an M12 with it looks like a free, it's already covered up on the top. It says free M12 tool with the purchase of select M12 starter kits. It says shop the entire M12 system at homedepot.com. So I believe that this is going to be available online for you guys to see what tools do qualify for this. But we do have an example here of how many tools are available. Alright, let's look at the left one. The left one is the $129 deal. Looks like you do get bigger battery. I can't really see what that battery is. Could be a 4 and a 1.5. It says two battery starter kit with the charger. You're gonna get the die grinder, or you can get the oscillating tool. You get the light. You get a jigsaw, and it looks like a stapler. So be sure to check that out. Pretty good deals, I believe. I say for $129, that's a pretty good deal. Even the batteries are just worth it by themselves, you know. So pretty good deal on that. All right, the next picture that we have is the one on the right. Hopefully, let me see here. Hopefully I can get it in the, yeah, that's the one, the most clear I can get. Alright, so $199 is 2 6s. It's going to be two 6 amp hour batteries. It looks like it. 2-pack with the charger and free tool. So buy this $199 kit and get a free tool on the bottom. Looks like you got an impact driver. You got a circ saw. You got a Bluetooth speaker. You got an oscillating tool. You got looks like the same die grinder as in the other picture, and the same oscillating tool. And then you got the same stapler. You got a battery. I can't see from here what battery is, if it's a 6 or a 4. You got a ratchet, which this is one of the tools I would definitely get. Got a ratchet. You got a light. You got the same jigsaw that's on the left. So same jigsaw that's on the left. So a lot of the tools are just repeated tools. And then one thing that I really like is the tool on the right. It looks like it's the rocket light, the M12 rocket light. So definitely recommend it. I think the M12 rocket light and the stapler, even the impact driver, all these tools are pretty much really good tools to get. I'm probably going to be shooting for the ratchet or the stapler, because I already have the impact driver there. The oscillating tool, I already have one. Might get the die grinder. It could be the light, the ratchet, or the stapler for me, or maybe just, you know. And also the batteries, guys. The batteries is a great deal, guys. 2 batteries for just about $100 or so. 2 6s. That's a really good deal. So definitely check it out, guys. Lots of good deals. Like I said, big shout out to all those YouTubers that already posted this. I'm just posting this for my subscribers, so you guys would see what's going on. You know, obviously you guys want to know what's, you know, the deals that are coming up. And these deals are not available as of now, but they will be. This is just the leak of the deals. So anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.